What is a team member that is on your business 24/7, answering calls, booking persons in, answering repetitive questions, sending emails, and handling queries? What do you call that employee? That is not just an employee, that's an AI agent. And then you might be wondering, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is just a digital helper or a smart helper that is on your business 24/7. And exactly how do you get that happening, or how does it do all of this? It happens with just you as the human training it, giving it all the information. We call it a knowledge base about your business. In order for this AI agent to function, it has to have the information of your business. Meaning, you would give everything concerning your business, your opening and closing times, your prices for your services, what services you actually offer, any FAQs, anything, any history about your business, everything the agent needs to know, because that is the only way that agent can actually interact with persons when they come to your business or call your business or go to your website and interact, wants to know anything about your business. And this save any business owner a lot of time, because you don't have to answer repetitive questions. You don't have to be on your business 24/7 to answering questions, and you won't lose any clients when you have this on your business, because it is there. You don't have to take any break. You don't have to go on a vacation. You don't have to sleep or nothing of the sort. You want to see how this actually works? You can check my previous video where I was testing a voice agent. Or if you want to know how to build this, you can join us in our community, Women Who Build AI Systems. The link is in the description below. I hope this helped. Bye.